Hey, welcome guys. This is Coder Nick from the Next Code. Today we are going to see how to add another PHP version inside Laragon, or you can say how to upgrade the PHP versions in Laragon, or how to downgrade the PHP versions in Laragon. So yeah, let's quickly jump to that. Just open the browser and search for PHP download Windows. You can so we have PHP 7.2 and PHP 7.4 inside Laragon. So basically I have Laragon installed in my C drive. Here you can go inside bin and then you can go inside PHP. There you can see different versions of PHP available. Currently I have 7.2.19 and 7.4.15. Here you can see windows.php.net. Click on that. So yeah, let's upgrade our PHP version to this latest. Okay, so inside this version 7.4.16 you can see there are two sub versions available. Okay, the first is non-thread safe and the second is thread safe. Always pick thread safe because non-thread safe means it does not save check for the thread safety. So yeah, let's quickly Google this and see what it means. So non-thread safe means it does not check the safety of the threads, which makes it faster to run, but at the same time it becomes more unstable and crashes very frequently. So yeah, let's not use that. Here you can see 64-bit version is available. Let's quickly download the zip file. Okay, I have started downloading it. Yeah, so it is being downloaded. The speed is extremely sad. Let's copy the and let's try downloading it in free download manager. Yeah, and cancel from here. Here you can see the speed is better than normal browser speed. So I'll just jump to the after downloading done section. No worries. So yeah guys, the download has been completed. Let's see the file. Okay, so here you can see the file has been downloaded. Yeah, inside it PHP is available. Okay, so let's copy this file and paste here. Okay, after that let's right click on it and inside WinRAR click on extract to this file name. So it will create that folder with the same name and everything will be inside it. So yeah, let's delete this, or else you could have also done this, like just click on this, then extract to, and you can select that folder, whatever you feel okay with. After this open Laragon, go and click on menu, then on PHP, then on version. Here you can see that we also have the version which we just installed, which is the third one, 7.4.16, which is just a minor upgrade to the previous I had installed. But yeah, just I was doing this to show to you. You can also install the latest PHP 8.0. that is completely fine and it will work properly. It's just that I don't need it currently, but yeah, you can try it. If you will have any kind of issues, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer them. So yeah, and to work that particular, to see, you just need to select that version. So whenever you will start start this Laravel, you will see that the PHP 7.41.16 is currently being executed. That's it. That was it, guys. So it was this simple. I will also I will also put the link in the description if you need the article about it, which is officially posted on Laragon forum. I will just put the link in the description. You can also try that. Okay, so thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you really think this helped you, you can like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, then you can also subscribe to the channel. That's it, I guess. See you in the next one. Take care. See you.